Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of disabling startup apps in Windows 10. Startup apps are programs that automatically launch when you start your computer and can slow down your system's performance. By disabling unnecessary startup apps, you can optimize your computer's boot time and overall efficiency. Let's get started. To begin, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, open the Settings app by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. Within the Settings window, locate and click on the Apps option. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, click on Startup. You will see a list of apps that are set to launch during startup. To prioritize the apps based on their impact on system performance, click on the Sort By menu and select the Startup Impact option. Take a look at the apps listed and identify any unnecessary ones, especially those marked as high impact by the system. These are the apps that have a significant impact on your system's startup time. To disable a startup app, simply turn off the toggle switch next to it. This will prevent the app from launching during startup. Once you have disabled the unnecessary apps, it's recommended to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You have successfully disabled startup apps in Windows 10. Your computer will now boot up faster and perform more efficiently. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.